When we booked our trip to Hawaii, we also booked a tour of Pearl Harbor because we were told that if you didn't get there early in the morning to get your tickets, you very well might not get any tickets. So that's what we did. Conspiracy theorists have claimed that Roosevelt deliberately ignored intelligence of an imminent attack in Hawaii. But most people believe that neither Roosevelt nor anybody in his government, the Navy, or the War Department knew that the Japanese were going to attack Pearl Harbor. They believed the Japanese were contemplating a military action of some sort. But they were kind of in a denial because they didn't think anybody would be as audacious to move an army thousands of miles across the Pacific, stop the refuel, then move on to Hawaii to make a strike. However, America's involvement in the war turned the tide against the Axis powers and ultimately led the Allies to victory. On Sunday morning, the Japanese planes first attacked the airfields, destroy aircraft still on the ground. Then they converged on Pearl Harbor, dive bombing down and heavily damaging the seaplane base on Ford Island. On the far side of the island, torpedo bombers attacked the Utah. They repeatedly attacked and struck Battleship Row. All 8 battleships were hit, and 4 sank or were heavily damaged. Also 3 cruisers, 3 destroyers, an anti-aircraft training ship, and 1 mine layer. All were damaged or sank. Even though she was heavily torpedo damaged, the Nevada managed to get underway. As she left her mooring and moved past the burning Arizona, sailors on other vessels began to cheer, but dive bombers soon spotted the ship and attacked. To keep from sinking the Nevada in the harbor, it was ordered to run aground at Hospital Point.